share with you guys my final results. I'm definitely loving this wash and go. My hair feels really moisturized, like it feels really soft. It actually dried soft as well, so it didn't leave a hard cast or anything on my hair, so it dried super soft. So let's go ahead and jump into the details of all of these products. Okay, so the first product that I reached for is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt. This is their Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. And this product is to strengthen and protect extremely dry, brittle hair. And I felt like my hair needed an extra treat before I started my wash day. My hair was feeling like a little bit limp, and I felt like I was kind of lacking a little bit of protein. So this is actually becoming like a favorite product of mine. I do like to throw this in like maybe every 3 to 4 weeks in my routine, just to kind of you know, restore the protein and moisture balance in my hair. This product actually has a really great slip as well, so it worked really good for me before I shampooed, because I was actually able to detangle my hair thoroughly before shampooing, which always makes wash day much easier. So I definitely do recommend this product. So the next product that I use is from the line, this is the star of this video. This is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. So this shampoo is made with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. And this is a sulfate-free clarifying shampoo. It removes buildup while infusing hair with nourishing moisture. It's perfect for those who regularly color, straighten, perm, or heat style their hair, as well as kinky, curly, or wavy natural styles. And of course, this line is formulated with Jamaican black castor oil and certified shea butter to help promote natural growth by strengthening damaged or chemically processed hair. This was my first time actually using this product, so I want to share my first impressions with you guys. I would definitely say this is not, in my opinion, a moisturizing shampoo. I feel like this shampoo is great for like when you feel like you have a lot of product buildup on your hair, or if you feel like you need a really deep cleanse. I would definitely recommend this. I think it does have great ingredients, as you know, all Shea Moisture products do. So I think it definitely has some great benefits that are good for your hair. However, I definitely wouldn't have this in rotation every week, but maybe like once a month. I think this shampoo would definitely be good. And I would say it does have a really good lather, so I did like the way that it lathered. But when I rinsed it out my hair did feel like really stripped and dry. But that doesn't mean it's not a good shampoo. I feel like every shampoo serves its purpose. So some are more creamy, moisturizing shampoos, but to me, those don't always give you the deepest clean. So I feel like this definitely serves its purpose. So yeah, I did like this product overall. But okay, so after I rinsed out this shampoo, I did follow up with conditioner. I didn't have the matching conditioner for this line, but I did want to condition before I went to my deep treatment. I did reach for an oldie but goodie. I actually used this Tea Tree Tingle conditioner. This is from Trader Joe's. Made with peppermint, tea tree, and eucalyptus botanicals. This conditioner has really great slip. It's also really moisturizing. And it smells refreshing, of course, because it's infused with peppermint. But yeah, I really do like this conditioner, so I kind of threw this in the mix. This product did serve its purpose, so it definitely helped me detangle any last, tangles or knots that were left over. And yeah, I left my hair feeling moisturized as well. Okay, so the next product that I use is absolutely one of my favorite products from this line. This is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. And this is the first product, you guys, that I tried from this line, and I absolutely fell in love. This product, of course, is made with the same ingredients: shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar, and it's to nourish and renew naturally, chemically processed or heat styled hair. I absolutely love this deep treatment. Like, this has been bae for like a while. I would say this is in my top 5. It leaves my hair really moisturizing. I feel like it's a good strengthening mask as well. And since I am a blondie, I do like to use products that, are catered towards chemically treated and color treated hair. I really do like this product. It has a really thick, I don't know if you guys could tell from the demo, but it has a really thick consistency. This deep treatment I do leave on for, normally I leave my deep treatments on for a while, so this time I left it on for about 45 minutes. It was like 45 to 50 minutes, and when I rinsed it out, my hair felt very soft. So this always leaves my hair just feeling great. And alright, so the first styling product that you guys saw me use was, of course, the Strengthen and Restore leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner, I have in a couple of my other videos as well. Like, it keeps my hair really moisturized. It sets a great base for my other products that I apply right after this. It has great slip, and it has all the same ingredients that the other products have. So I feel like that's always great when I can find styling products that are also like nourishing and treating my hair and have great ingredients in it for my hair. It's more of a watery, not watery, but it's more of a looser consistency, if you guys can see. So it's not super thick, but it is super moisturizing. So it definitely serves its purpose as a leave-in. So right after the leave-in, I did apply the Strengthen and Restore Smoothie. And you guys, this product is also, like, all these products that I'm listing are bomb. Like, if you can't tell, I like this entire collection. So this smoothie is no different. A lot of people do compare this to the coconut hibiscus. hair smoothie. To me, this product does work a little bit differently. I definitely like both products, but this one doesn't particularly remind me of the coconut hibiscus smoothie, but it works as a great moisturizer, like I said. And the last product that I use from this line is going to be the Strengthen, Grow, and Restore Edge Treatment. And I originally bought this product after I saw it on, I believe it was on the Glam Twins channel, and I was having issues at the time with my edges and they were kind of breaking off a little bit. So I needed a edge control, but I also wanted something that was going to be beneficial to my edges as well and kind of help, you know, restore them. So I do like this product. I'm actually almost out. And it's like a jelly-like consistency, but yeah, I'm almost out of this. It does have a soft hold, so it's not something that I would say would like keep your edges slicked all day. So if you guys have used any of these products from this Jamaican Black Castor Oil collection from Shea Moisture, definitely comment below. Let me know your experience. I'm also open to any product recommendations you guys want to give me to try out. So definitely you can leave that in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys. And I have so much more coming for you guys. So thank you so much for your support. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.